What are the new law changes that affect our driving here in Virginia? One of the new law changes, effective in July, this is a few months later, but that's okay. I wanted you to know about this particular law change. And it's really kind of a no-brainer law and something that you might already do anyway. And here it is. You must stop to yield the right-of-way to a pedestrian. So a pedestrian is a person in a designated, certainly on foot, usually, or in a wheelchair or on a bicycle, whatever, but in a pedestrian walkway that is so designated, drivers have to yield the right of way, meaning that the pedestrian has the right of way in those areas, in those pedestrian designated zones. So the law change is that the driver must stop. That's it. And I think we all pretty much do that as a normal behavior, that once we see a pedestrian in that walkway, we can see them and there they are, and then we're driving, we're approaching, and then we stop. We normally do that. So I think there has been some cases, and I need to research this, but I'm probably assuming this, but probably educated based on my education and experience, and that is that when you see somebody in front of you in the pedestrian walkway, and you're looking and you're seeing and you're kind of slowing down and rolling forward, that has probably caused injury to some folks and prompted the law change. So when we are approaching a pedestrian area, we see a pedestrian, we know that they're going to cross the way, we must stop and yield the right of way. Pretty simple, pretty no-brainer. However, now it makes it a traffic violation if you do not stop. So no more rolling approaches to a pedestrian area. That obviously makes it safer for the pedestrian and makes it safer for you as a driver as well. So a clear, bright line rule to say stop and yield the right of way. I hope this is helpful. Bettina Altizer Law, always here to help you in answering any of your questions.